Okay, greetings everyone and welcome to the overview for week 12 for our FastTrack writing course. First, you're going to want to prepare for a Zoom class on Tuesday. You are going to do some work, so the first two things are work that's in college writing in the draft 2 of the justice paper folder. You're going to watch the video, draft 2, writing the justice paper. And then you're also going to look at both of these links, cohesion in academic writing and transition and coherence in academic writing. And again, all of this is in college writing. Then in the Zoom folder for Tuesday, you're going to read the handout on cohesion and coherence from Duke University. And then you're going to print the cohesion and coherence practice document. It is a sample paper that we are going to examine for both cohesion and coherence during class. So make sure you have it printed. Okay, next, for Zoom class on Tuesday, we're going to do a DOL where we're still working on incorporating textual evidence for our justice paper. We're also working on threading textual evidence into our summaries and in general just writing our academic essay. We'll do some planning for draft 2 and then we'll focus on coherence and cohesion and then practice with those and make sure that we understand. Then you're going to want to prepare for Zoom on Thursday. You're going to complete steps 1 through 3 of the Why Am I So Angry and What Can I Do About It experience in the writer's practice. Please be sure that you understand that those are my steps 1 through 3, so you need to be looking at my assignment sheet that goes with this experience in the writer's practice book. Make sure you're doing my steps 1 through 3. So you're going to upload your draft to the assignment folder. Then Zoom class on Thursday. First we're going to do a DOL. Then we are going to do some partner drafting and work. We are going to do an oral workshop again, and I have you in pairs for that. And then we're going to focus on rhetoric and audience. So part of that rhetorical triangle is audience. So we'll learn about why that matters, how we can learn about our stakeholders, and how that influences the kind of argument that we present in order to win what we're trying to get across. That's all for week 12, so I'll see you in class. Have a great weekend.